What's up guys, welcome back, you watching for today. OnePlus recently started rolling out the new OxygenOS 16.0.10 update for its flagship OnePlus 15 series devices. This update brings a new and amazing AI Remix Collage feature, which was previously only available on ColorOS 16 devices like OPPO Reno 16. This feature comes with some amazing tools that can help you to create stunning collage of videos and motion photos like these. Today we are going to check out how other OnePlus flagship devices can use this feature right now without needing to update to new OxygenOS 16.0.10 version. We will also take a look of new features included in AI Remix Collage and we'll check out how to use them properly. So make sure to watch this video until the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. The first requirement for using this feature is that your device must be running with OxygenOS 16.0.8 or above version. My OnePlus 13R is running with OxygenOS 16.0.9 and this feature is working perfectly on this device. However, it will not work on lower versions like OxygenOS 16.0.5. To use this feature, you need to download and install the new Photos APK version 16.45.2. The download link is available in video description. Once you update the Photos application, you will find the new AI Remix Collage feature under Create tab. Other AI photo editing tools are already available in this application. We have already reviewed some of these features in our previous video, and you will find that video link in the iCard. This feature allows you to create amazing motion collages using the videos and motion photos. Let's check out how you can use it. First, select the AI Remix Collage option and choose any video or photo you want to edit. First, I will show you how you can edit the motion photos. Here, I have selected this motion photo. You can select a specific part of this photo using slider panel. Now select Create Collage option. You will get several options to add custom stickers and other elements using the editing tool. I will also show you how you can create the custom stickers and can add them to videos and the photos later in this video, so keep watching. The hand drawn option includes some handwritten doodles that you can add to your photos. Every sticker has 3 buttons. The first one allows you to increase or decrease its size, the second one lets you to rotate it, and the last one is the delete button. Next we have this emojis tab, which includes all the emojis available on your keyboard. You can place these handwritten doodles or emojis anywhere on the image and can adjust their size and position according to your preferences. Just like emojis, you can get some built-in pet and the artist stickers in this feature. And in the last option, you get these dynamic stickers. So you can use all of these stickers to create amazing and creative pictures with the different effects, which looks very cool. Now let's check out how to edit the videos and add custom stickers. Here I have selected this video. Using the slider, you can crop and can select any part of this video. Keep in the mind that you can only generate maximum 6 seconds of AI Remix Collage. Select Create Collage. Now select Custom Stickers. Here I have already added some custom stickers. To add the new one, simply tap on the add and select any video you want to use as custom sticker. Now you will get the new AI video cutout option. Select it and AI will automatically start cutting out the subject from the video. You can also add an outline to the stickers using options like dynamic marker, dynamic dotted and more. However, I recommend you to not using these effects if you want more realistic collage photos. Once your sticker is ready, it will be available in the stickers list and you can use it again later. You can place these stickers anywhere in your videos or motion photos, but make sure to choose the right position and the size to give your collage a realistic look. I have added these stickers that I previously created using this feature. You can preview newly created AI Remix Collage by tapping the play button. Once you think everything looks perfect, simply tap on the save and your new AI Remix Collage video is ready. With this feature, you can create many different collage videos and motion photos depending on your creativity. I think this is really cool and game-changing feature for creative users. That's all for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like, hype and share button, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications about upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.